How to go live on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how we can go live on Facebook. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. And once you are connected to the internet, then go ahead and open up your Facebook app. So here you go, and then tap on this profile picture at the upper right side. Tap on here and then go to your profile, and once you are on your profile, now scroll down a little bit, and here you will get post. Under the post you will get reels and live. So tap on live, and then all you gotta do, you have to tap on go live. Tap on here, and here as you can see that is starting live broadcast, and I am live now on Facebook. By default your mobile back camera will be opened, so if you wanna turn on your mobile selfie camera, then tap on here, and here you can see that my camera has been changed. And when your live is over on Facebook, then tap on finish button at the lower right side. Tap on here, and here you can see that ending live broadcast, and after that you will get interface like that, and from here you can post your live on your Facebook profile for 30 days, and you can also delete your live instantly. So tap on delete, and then again tap on delete. So following this simple process you can go live on Facebook. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.